Well, hi everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandma. I'm bringing you Thursday's reviews, and I have. How's everybody doing, by the way? I have the SUPERBODY T-shirt. It's for my son-in-law, and it's knitted wear. Let's open it, shall we? His birthday's coming up, and I'm getting his little things together. So this is it. It's a little plain T-shirt, but he likes these things, and it's like form-fitted, so it will be very pretty for him. Very pretty, very nice for him, and I'm sure that he can use it and wear it somewhere. And it stretches. I'll show you in a minute. It stretches, so it has a lot of give to it. So he can use it for playing basketball or whatever. It has a little ear things in the back here. So I thought that would be a nice gift for him. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will leave you all the information. I'm looking to see if there's any more information, and I'll leave you all the information in the comment section as well. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.